Mandla points a gun at Mabizela, warning him to leave his wife Pilila alone. Thandiswa notices that there's a guy that's been following her and tells Zwelethwa about it. And then Zwelethwa notices that there's a guy also following him. And it's actually the hitman that Jackson hired. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. So, as Pilile and her husband Mandla were sitting at home, Pilile gets a text from Mabizela or a call. Mandla saying that lo and wants to go there to confront Mabizela. Pilile is like, no, let me do it. Pilile goes there, saying, I can't continue with this loan shark business. It's ruining my marriage. At Mabizela, you're only gonna stop when I say so. For Gwamanja, you continue. Jackson comes up and points a gun at him, saying, well, you need to leave my wife alone. I tell you, when I end the day, wouldn't let his wife get into a loan shark business. Jason took out a gun. At Mabizela, you don't have the balls to do it. Pilile was like, please, Menam, don't do this. Don't ruin your life over this low life person. Mabizela stands up Mabizela sort of challenging him, saying you won't do it, you don't have the balls, like he's weak and on and so forth. Mandla got furious and fired a shot. Mabizela was scared, like he was shocked also. This guy, I thought he doesn't even know how to use a gun. At sharp, next time I won't miss, I'll point it and I'll shoot straight at your head. What just happened? And then Thandiswa comes home to Zwelethwa, saying that someone is following her. Zwelethwa is like, how? But I think Jackson is behind all this. And then Zwelethwa decides, you know what, I think we need to relocate, like move away from this town. Thandiswa feels like, hi man, we're running away from Jackson. We need to think about the baby. Like, it's not just us anymore. There's a baby involved. We need to think about the baby. And then Zwelethwa is sitting at the restaurant. Realizes there's a guy who's sitting there in a newspaper. Jiggy's got a book on, pretending to read. This guy looks suspicious. Ask the bartender, have you seen this guy before? To know it's the first time I'm born. So let's realize something feels fishy here. And then where Pumu Zwelethwa goes outside and realizes how it's like someone is still following him. Pulls out his gun, looks around and sees no one. And then Mamiki, Leroy asks Mamiki, how much when are you going to tell the father of the baby you are pregnant? Mamiki I'm gonna and what. I said, no, you need to tell him. You need to tell him very fast, because you can't just keep this to yourself. Anyway, why didn't you condomize Vele? Didn't you do ABC go skolong? Hi, Mamiki. And then Ugais decides she does not feel like being home and decides to go and spend time with the mother. Mother's like, I can't, it's so busy at the hotel, let's do it tomorrow. And then guys sees Ufanyana, tells him, hey, u-anti wakho wena umamncane wakho is a loan shark business. Wathuka Ufanyana hawu unkosikazi kamfundisi athi yes yena kanye. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.